Jerry back with @TheatricallyJerry. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing on MokaSFX newest vertical fog machine. This is a 1500 watt pro fog machine. They just released this model. This is model 2.0 and it looks pretty great, so I'm going to do a in-depth review on this later, but for right now we're going to do an unboxing and see just what's included with this new model. First thing we're going to need is our handy dandy scissors. Alright, now we got the tape off. Alright, so the first thing we're greeted with is the user manual. This is Moka's 1500 watt LED fog machine user manual, version 2.0. So, if you've ever watched my channel at TheatricallyJerry, you know how important the user manual is. So, go ahead and get that out and read through it. It's going to tell you how to properly operate and maintain your machine. Let's see how well the packaging is. I already see pretty thick styrofoam. So it looks like they had a custom molding for this fog machine. It's a pretty big thick piece of styrofoam here. I'll set that aside. Hopefully this arrived in good condition. It came all the way from Hong Kong via DHL. Alright, so the next thing is the actual machine itself. We're going to go ahead and take that out. Alright, so now I've taken it out of the box, and as you can see, it's got protective plastic over it, which is pretty standard. A couple of accessories that came with it. We have our 3-pin DMX, so it is coming with a 3-pin DMX cable. That's nice that they included that. You are getting your very heavy duty PowerCon cable. This is very thick. This is a 3 by 1.5 millimeter squared cable, and that is due in part to the 1500 watt heater that's inside of this. It takes up a lot of power, so you need a thicker PowerCon cable. They did include that, thank you. We have a wireless remote control that was included. That's pretty nice. It's white, it's got a built-in antenna. We'll look at it more later in the in-depth review. But this is just an unboxing, so let's go ahead and peel back all of this plastic. Alright, there is MokaSFX newest 1500 watt vertical fog machine. And here's the other side of it. It's got their silkscreen logo here. That looks nice. Got a hook here for your safety cable because this can be mounted horizontally or vertically. Here's the other side. Got an indicator for your fluid. And they have included rubber feet here because, like I said, you can shoot this either way, straight up, or you can tip it this way and you can shoot it straight out like a traditional fog machine. So anyways, there's the unboxing video for that. It seems to have arrived in perfect condition, probably due to the great packaging that MokaSFX has supplied for this fog machine. I will be doing a 3-part review on this later on my channel at TheatricallyJerry. If you're interested in seeing that, please stay tuned. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You can leave comment down below. I do respond to all questions and comments. Thank you guys for watching.